ari kurambura ensharo okureba kurwana saburwire bwa Ebola kuri kugenda RDC wa district ya Kisoro yagira ngo taroho omuntu orukwikirizibwa kurugo mu DRC okutaho mu Uganda ngo Uganda erinda abantu bayo batakakwata urwire bwa Ebola.
Ni mu ruga sikora kusige Ebola banyarakara.
We don't allow anybody to pass through here, and if they are doing that, they are doing the right work. Okay. Any refugee who is coming here is supposed to be bounced, because we don't want to have this Ebola spread into Uganda. Regarding the porous borders, certainly we have the army, we have the police, okay? And they are patrolling. If they are not doing their work, I will monitor like you have told me. We shall share with the center, and maybe they boost more soldiers, more officers here.
RDC yashobora ngo butare bwona ubwahansharo zona babukinjire taroho rwikirizibwa kuzamo.
Of course, markets, we have stopped them. Markets, even the one in the center, because we are having challenge now, we have to advise them to leave that Katimba market. And you have heard about it. Because the numbers are many, they are not controllable, so we are telling them to go in some other places.
Nagira ngo kizobo kisigiro muri za panya nukwe kushaba abanya-Uganda bona okwegendesereza kandi babavuje bebyiruka abarakwatwe barukukusa abantu okurugo mu DRC batabandize baceberwa nibaza kukwatwa.
Nagiye kwa kabiriya nari ngiye guhamba mabukwe nzigabane no mu Uganda
eri bakugambye bata
Jacqueline Uwineza umukozi w'ibyamagara nagira ngo abakongomana binji abari kutegana saha mwatano nabashohora bari kugira ngo bari kutaho wabo mu DRC wo mukanya kace
abari entrance na exit ariko nyina mpambe outbreak iriho ukwemerera ba exit abo turi kwemerera ni ba trucks driver na tanboy then abane turi kwemerera na ba entrance abo bari kuva muri Kongo ari ba driver na ba tanboy bose turi kubemerera. Nena bande baturi kwemera n'abantu bari kuva muri Uganda bari gutaha iwawe kuja muri Kongo.
Uwineza nagira ngo abanya-Uganda benyene abaruko bano baruga DRC no bataho mu Uganda nabaza kubacebera.
Twego turi ko bari kumara tubikije ngo bagende bakabagarura bari kubizanira. Rero tukaba byamusubizayo umuntu n'uwanyu mureka ataha iwawe. Tukaba byanawo uwa Uganda bari muri Kongo. Umwemerera zena watahi wabo.
Abandi abatura bo barukuhaganisa byo kwirinda okubazibera na no kubirukaho ngo batakara bo muri zapanya.
So imikuba bavuze turageza mu nomani zirandi. Ako njewe ikiri gutuma mvuga ibigambo tukugera muri amonoma n'izirandi no kusedukore enki yango ngo bashaka tuhereze ibihumbi 2000 ni parking na
abantu bari kupfa n'inzara. Umuntu yahahiraga igihugu gihahiraga ikindi. None nimba umuntu ino iri y'imyaka iri yo guhaha umuntu ngo ntoyaje no mu Kongo ngahaha karahaha agaruke. Ahubwo inkoni bari gukubita abantu inkoni ntiwareba babarembeje.
Nebye mpunje ziri kurengo muri Ghana abibyo kwirinda ba Uganda bacwamo kubabinga borukuza kusheshera izuba kandi barebwa bakambicira hasitebe cy'abahekera ba M23 rebels ahanshare yabonaga no muri DRC.